Hi, and welcome to a brand new episode of the Mail Day with BeardedTinker. Today we have additional 5 packages to open. Let's get started. Let's see what the first package for today is. Oh, this is step up, step down buck converter. This board will be used for my power supply project, where I will be using old PC power supply to make static and variable power supply, meaning I will have 3 and 5 volts, I think, or 3, 5 and 12 volts, plus variable where you can choose voltage from 0 up to 24 volts. Okay, let's look at the web listing. Well, unfortunately, the seller that I bought this step down, step up, or step up, step down boost buck converter no longer carries them. It was module fans. If you need this module, you can just use this product ID and search on the AliExpress. I presume that there will be a lot of stores selling them. This item had 51 orders and had excellent reviews, but unfortunately, probably the item is no longer available. Let's check listing. Yeah, of course, you can see a lot of the stores carry them. I think I paid for that item around $2 and it included shipping. Okay, let's check the next item. Let's open the second package. Whoa. Yeah. This one leaked. Okay. This is flux. I bought 2 syringes of flux with the tips. This will be used, of course, for my soldering project. I don't know if I will be needing it, but I hope that it will help me. For example, if I have to desolder something and resolder it again for surface mounted components. Let's check the web listing. Again, one of the items I bought, and I really do not know why I bought them, because at this point I don't need them. I don't even know if I will ever need them, because I will not be using heat gun to solder my components. I just hope that this can also help in soldering with the classical soldering iron. So this was Bon Kim Tool Store with 97.3 positive review. I bought this item. It's 2 syringes, 2 needles, so it's the whole kit. But what am I to do with them? Price was $1.98 for the kit, and cost of the shipping was $1.23 to Croatia. 6,315 orders so far, and for the more than 3,000 reviews, the rating is 4.8 stars. This is third package for today. Okay, nice. Great. Oh, great. So this is also for my power supply project. This display will be used to show a current setting for the output for the voltage and amps. Oh, great. I think I'm near the end and have almost all my components ready. So I'll be doing that project soon also. But let's check web listing. The ZQC Module Store is the store I bought this display from. It has 98.1 positive feedback. There are various options available
blue, green, 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 red, green, only one wire. And I think I bought this one, it's red blue. I don't know why I fancy it more. Okay, who knows. The cost was $1.44 with the 32 cents shipping cost to Croatia. Item arrived pretty fast. You get a whole kit, meaning that you get this display, you get the wires. Okay, I have to check this one too. I will probably use it with the independent power supply. Okay, great. And that's it for this item.
Let's open the fifth package. Okay. I forgot about this one. This was ordered almost 3 months ago. Yeah, you probably have seen my Ender 3 Pro wire I made for the power supply, and I had to use insulation tape because I didn't have heat shrink tubes, so I ordered this big package with really big variety. Let's take everything out. I think I have now a lot more than I need. From really thin wires up to the really huge. This maybe is not so great for the wires because I have none of them that are so thick, but those can be used to heat shrink some smaller components and make them weatherproof. So I'll be using those too. Okay, let's check the web listing.
Heat shrink tubes have been bought from the Yuming Electric Store, 98.8% positive feedback. A cost of this kit that includes 328 pieces of this tubing is $2.94, and shipping is free to Croatia. 2,400 orders so far, and customer review is 4.9 out of 5 stars. As I said, I will be using those not just for wires. I will probably do something similar, not exactly what I did here, but I will probably use it to encase some smaller electronics inside those larger tubes. And let's check the last item I have for today.
And the last item for today . As you can see, this is the last missing piece for my QuinLED project. So I can finally start assembling everything. This was the last component I was missing. It does say resistor here, but this is not a resistor. This is a capacitor. And I was waiting for this for about a month and a half, maybe 2 months, and this was the last item I didn't have.
Ultimate Electronics Store with 99.2% was the store I bought this from. 10 pieces of the capacitors. This is the last item I need for my QuinLED project. By the time this video is out, I will probably already make my own QuinLED, and I hope to make a video on how the process looked. So if the video is alive, you will see it in the card section here. The cost of that item was $1.52 with the free shipping to Croatia, and customer reviews for those 333 orders so far is 4.9 out of 5 stars for 10 pieces of the 270 picofarad capacitors.
And this is it for today. I hope you find something useful in my mail day. I'm looking forward to completing this power supply project, but this will be my second priority, or third maybe. My first priority will be finishing QuinLED. After that, I have top secret project I will be working on and filming the whole process. This is something partially for my work, so it's really nice when you can combine your hobby and your work, so pleasure and business. Thank you once again for watching Mail Day with Bearded Tinker. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you have any kind of a comment or suggestion, please leave it down below into the comments section. Thank you very much, and I'll be seeing you in 2 weeks for another Mail Day with Bearded Tinker.